Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add more than one animation to your videos on CapCut PC. So select your video and add it to track, and you're going to select animation, which is up here. Then you are going to select an end animation, for instance this fade in one, and you're just going to adjust the duration of it too. Then you are going to select combo, and you are going to select the one you want, maybe this one, and as you can see you can add it to the video here, and you can add it to the middle, and you can also adjust the duration of it too. Maybe I want to add in a different one. And then you are going to lastly select out for an out animation, and you're going to want to adjust it here. And that is basically it. Now you can add in more than one animation without having to split it. Make sure you update your app first though. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!